Top tips and tricks to design a low-maintenance modern kitchen. Best Modular Kitchen Design Ideas 2023. Be one of the HD Interiors family. To make your home vibrant, HD Interiors channel is your way to build a contemporary home. Whenever you think of your dream kitchen, the first image that comes to your mind is that of an elegant and large kitchen. But beauty comes at a cost. We also need to remember that the more detailed a kitchen is, the harder it will become to take care of it. So, how do you design a low-maintenance kitchen? A strong kitchen layout strategy is significant here to strike the perfect balance between aesthetics and practicality. Consider the work triangle between your refrigerator, sink, and cooking appliances to create an ergonomic flow, since it will make movement in the kitchen easier and reduce the number of spills. Here are some kitchen design tips and tricks that you can implement to achieve a more functional and efficient kitchen space. To design low-maintenance kitchen cabinets, you should remember these tips. Opt for closed cabinets with glass doors if you're a neat freak, so that you can view and access kitchen items easily. Ensure that the kitchen cabinet doors don't have many embellishments or raised panels, as they are tricky to clean. Avoid open shelves or open kitchen cabinets, as they tend to accumulate more dust and attract more clutter. Shaker style modern cabinets and slab front traditional cabinets are easier to clean and blend into any design style. You can also go in for a full-sized pantry if you have enough space in the kitchen or another room to spare. The best colors for kitchen cabinets are shades like gray, pastel yellow, brown, cream, and beige. Make a decision to paint or stain the cabinet doors, depending upon your working style in the kitchen. A stain offers more longevity, while paint scratches and chips easily. Choose glossy finish over matte finish for kitchen cabinets, as kitchen work involves a lot of grease, oil and spices. When it comes to the kitchen cabinet material, PVC and plywood, MDF, are the most common boards used. Wondering why PVC kitchen cabinets have low maintenance and are preferred over plywood kitchen cabinets? PVC kitchen cabinets are easier and quicker to install, lightweight, more economical, fire-resistant, termite-resistant, moisture-resistant, rot-proof, easy to clean, and also last longer. It is also available in a variety of colors. Now, here are important tips for designing a practical modular kitchen. Don't ignore corner spaces. Often, while creating storage shelves and cabinets, we ignore the corners. However, nowadays, there are plenty of options available to make the best use of corner spaces. Professionals can help you personalize your layout and get the most out of the space available. After all, there is no such thing as too much storage available in the kitchen. Identify your kitchen work triangle. For the uninitiated, a kitchen work triangle constitutes your refrigerator, sink, and hob. A large part of choosing a kitchen layout is deciding how these three essential items interact with each other, i.e., the location and space between each. Draw up a rough sketch of your kitchen space before thinking of the layout. Choose kitchen colors wisely. Remember that you will need to maintain the kitchen in the longer run. It might be best to avoid an all-white kitchen simply because the kitchen tends to result in a lot of tough stains. All-white kitchens demand consistent cleaning and are high on maintenance. But that doesn't mean you blindly opt for bright hues. After all, darker shades attract more heat, especially in summers. You can always choose a combination of the two to maintain the overall harmony. Also, remember, make sure your kitchen color goes well with your overall home decor. Kitchen lighting. Nothing can beat natural light flooding in through the window to lighten up your kitchen. However, with natural light, ensure that there is great lighting in the kitchen for the evenings and nighttime. Overhead lighting will light up the countertop, where most of the action happens. Under cabinet lights are becoming popular, as they provide direct light on the countertop.